Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Doors. We are here at our third hotel, and this is the Ocean City Adventure. We are here at the Quality Inn Oceanfront Hotel. This room has a atrium view room, which has exterior corridor, which we have, and you can get a room on the bottom floor in an atrium, no balcony. Then you got the oceanfront rooms. So yeah, let's go take a look at this place. Older property, obviously. Here's why I have an issue here. See? All that's not secure, so someone can break in and fucking try to molest me while I'm sleeping. So there's that. Here's our corridor. 2 chairs. Outdoor pool behind the trees. Yep. 234, by the way. Room has been used. So sink, dishwasher, microwave, all the stuff's clean. Made some tacos earlier. Some good stuff. A little table area. Coffee, all your amenities. Bathroom small, but pretty decent shape. Except for a broken shower rod. Clock around the shower is nice. Shower pressure is good. A little grimy. Sink. It's not on. All your stuff here. Toilet. This room has 2 queen beds. We got our refrigerators clean. Closet. Safe. Yeah. Got that. So, nice stands. I stayed here back in 2019, 18, 16 or something. Way back a couple years ago. Did some updates, got the new furniture, headboards. Made some new carpet. If I'm not mistaken. Here's the address. If you want to stay here, 54th Street. 32-inch Panasonic TV with my Roku plugged in. Nice dresser, modern. Got this old AC heating system controlled by this thermostat. You can do joint rooms if you want. Got a table and a nice newer looking couch. You can sleep another person here if you want. So here's the atrium. This does not lock, so that's always nice. The lights are off in the atrium. The bar, atrium cafe, the parrots, indoor pool, and the 2 hot tubs. Two hot tubs over here. There's the oceanfront rooms, elevators, pools there. Happy hour is good on draft beer, $2.50, 4 to 7. So that's nice. That's the atrium. Overall impressions, do I recommend this place? I mean, it's not a bad place. Bed's clean. You know, it seems a lot softer than the 3 hotels we just stayed at. So it wouldn't seem nice. They did some updates since I've been here since a couple years ago. Would I recommend it? They need to fix the door. This whole door needs to be replaced. You know, there's still little cracks there. You want the deadbolt. Yeah, you need to fix that. But other than that, the room's not bad. And the shower curtain rod. Those are the 2 main complaints with this place. I pay $79 a night. I'm filming this in May. What's the date? 26. So, if you're gonna come to OC, come in May. Don't come in June, July, or beginning of August. That's when the rates are gonna shoot up. $79 is the regular rate that I paid during my timeline. It could be different when you guys book it. $79 for this room. It's not bad at all. So, if you're a Choice Pros member, not bad at all. And yeah. And one thing to point out, they do have free laundry. We were supposed to stay here for cruise week. If you saw my first hotel room tour video of my adventure here, you're supposed to stay till Sunday, and that turned into a week, and we're leaving Saturday morning. Got there last Friday, leaving Saturday morning. So we've been here for a week, and it's nice that they have free laundry. So that's one thing to note if you plan to stay here for a long time or go hotel jumping or hopping like we are right now. So you just have to get your own laundry detergent, but free washers and dryers, which is nice. If you're here for a long time, we're jumping hotels like we are for a week. So yeah, next video we will be in our last and final hotel. It's our first night here. We got one more night to go here, so yeah, let's get it. Keep liking, catching the thumbs up and stuff, and liking the videos, and subscribe and notification button. I appreciate it. We're gonna make this channel grow, and yeah, there's Wi-Fi password if you guys want to steal their Wi-Fi, but it's quality time. So yeah, that's all I got for you. And KW up, please like, share, and subscribe.